And now please welcome to the stage the Beem team, Mr. Eason Wang and Mr. Saud Alsheraihi.
Hello everyone, my name is Eason. It is my honor to be here to introduce a new app that will enhance the way we communicate and bring us closer together. Beem is an instant messaging and calling app that provides a more personal and meaningful way of connecting with others. Beem not only has all the features that other apps have, but it goes above and beyond with its enhanced and unique features. In today's world, technology enables us to connect with others at any time, anywhere, with any others. Beem offers high-quality audio and videos to make you feel like you're right there with the person you are talking to. In addition to being great for personal use, Beem also provides features specifically designed for businesses. Communication and business collaborations are critical to the success of any business, and Beem has taken this into consideration. My colleague, Mr. Saud, will provide a more in-depth overview of these features later. And because we believe that communication should be enjoyable as well, we have added unique features, such as allowing users to create their own stickers and AR filters for video calls to express themselves. These personal touches add a fun aspect to communication, and the possibilities for expression are endless. Beem is more than just an instant messaging app. It is an all-in-one solution for personal communications and business collaborations. Please join us and experience seamless communication and collaborations like never before. Thank you. Mr. Saud, please.
Thank you, Eason, for the introduction. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Your Highnesses, Your Excellencies, esteemed guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As you all know, communication is at the heart of our daily lives, and because we always look for new and better ways to do things, we at STC are proud to announce our investment at Beem, a revolutionary app that will transform the way we communicate, offering seamless, easy, quick, and secure communication for everyone. In addition for being great for personal use, Beem provides features that are specifically designed for businesses, like online meetings, synchronized calendars, document collaboration, and many more. We are confident that Beem will become the #1 choice for people in the region and beyond. We are excited about the future, and we really thank you for being here and honoring us, and we look forward for your support in bringing Beem to life. Thank you.